Hi, hello guys, welcome to the ICE Coaching channel. Today we're gonna know about the list of Indus Valley civilization sites in India. Indus Valley civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. The first thing we remember when we heard the word Indus Valley civilization, we remember one Harappan sites, two Mohenjo-daro. But there are around 26 other Indus Valley civilization sites in India. Intro. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwestern region of South Asia, lasting from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE. The South Asia region consists of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. Together with the ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, it was one of the three earliest civilizations of Near East and South Asia. Indus Valley civilization sites spanning an area stretching from northeast Afghanistan through much of Pakistan and into western and northwestern India. The civilization's cities were noted for their urban planning, baked brick houses, elaborate drainage system, water supply system, cluster of large non-residential buildings, new techniques in handicrafts, metallurgy. The large cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were likely grown to contain between 30,000 to 60,000 individuals. The list of Indus Valley civilization sites only in India. I'm not covering any Pakistan and Afghanistan sites, only Indian sites. Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh. Impression of cloth on throw. Babarkot, Gujarat. A stone fortification wall, plant remains of millets and gram. Balu, Haryana. Earliest evidence of garlic. Banavali, Haryana. Barley, terracotta figures of plough. Baror, Rajasthan. Human skeleton, ornaments, 5 meter long and 3 meters clay oven, pitcher filled with 8,000 pearls are found in Baror. Bet Dwaraka, Gujarat. Late Harappan seal, inscribed jar, the mold of coppersmiths and a copper fish hook. Biharana, Haryana. Graffiti of dancing girl on pottery which resembles dancing girl statue found at Mohenjo-daro. Daimabad, the late Harappan, Maharashtra. A sculpture of bronze chariot which is 45 centimeters long and 16 centimeters wide. Yoked to two oxen driven by a man which measures 16 centimeters high and standing in it, and three other bronze sculptures. Desalapur, Gujarat. Massive stone fortifications, Harappan pottery, three scripts bearing seals, one of cetatite, which is also called as soapstone because it is rich in magnesium. One of the copper and one is terracotta. Terracotta means clay, which is made up of clay. Dolavaria, Gujarat. Figure of chariot tied to a pair of bullocks and driven by nude human. Water harvesting and number of reservoirs. Use of rocks for construction. Farmana, Haryana. Largest burial site of Indus Valley civilization with 65 burials. Goladora, Gujarat. Production of shell bangles, semi-precious beads. Juni Kurana, Gujarat. Fortified citadel, lower town, public gathering areas. Jognakera, Haryana. Copper smelting furnaces with copper, slag and pot shards. Kutch, Gujarat. Ceramic artifacts including bowls, and it is a ancient port. Kali, Bangana, Rajasthan. Baked and burnt bangles, fire altars, Shivalingam, small circular pits containing large urns and accompanied by pottery, bones of camel. Karanpura, Rajasthan. Skeleton of child, terracotta like pottery, bangles, seals similar to other Harappan sites. Kirasara, Gujarat. Warehouse, industrial area, gold, copper, semi-precious stones, shell objects and weight hoards. Kerala Nodaro or Padri, Gujarat. Salt production center by evaporating seawater. Lothal, Gujarat. Bead making factory, dockyard, button seal, fire altars, painted jar, earliest cultivation of rice. Recently, central government is planning to establish a national marine museum in Lothal with the help of Portuguese government. Manda, Jammu and Kashmir, the northmost Harappan site in Himalayan foothills. Pabumat, Gujarat, a large building complex, unicorn seal, shell bangles, beads, copper bangles, needles, antimony rods, Seattle micro beads, pottery including large and medium sized jars, bakers, dishers, dish on stand, perforated jars, fine red pottery with black painted designs. Rangpur, Gujarat, it is a seaport. Shikarpur, Gujarat, food habit details of Harappans. Surkotada, Gujarat, bones of horse. It is only site where they found bones of horse. And there is also another site called as Ropar. It's located in Punjab, where a dog is buried along with dog is buried along with human. So please remember this Surakotada and Ropara, because bones of horse are found in Surakotada and Ropar, a dog remains are found. These are the Indus Valley civilization sites in India. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.